Casting the spell and castles in the sky, fill my mind with rooms to dwell. Enter image and down, etched into my being. Flowerful dream. I could not stop. Force of nature overtook me. I should have told her. I should have told her. It was so unfair. Walking the golden
Quite
horizon.
successfully outside of Jamaica.
Seemingly so unaware. Rhymes plenty. Only melody. Don't offend me. Break the canvas. And I am forever lost in this vastness. I could provide you unfettered access, and you still could not match this. Prickly cactus. Waiting in tall grass, waiting is like molasses, searching for a certain homeostasis. Waiting in tall grass. Too tough, rock solid. Hot fire, not garbage. Extra meat, spice meat, extra rice, top solid. No charge, daily bars. Rockstar, barely large. Better home, better home. Unfettered home for a better zone. Secret like the vision, scalpel knife, I make incision.
Possible to say when something begins or ends. We hope that the weather will continue, and we trust that our way of relating dance and music will also continue. It's not starting from an idea, not starting even from an expression of the same feeling, nor an exposition of the same idea, but rather simply being together in the same place and the same time.
And I am trying to share. This can't take a break. This degenerate face full of scolding. Too many times. What doesn't break you? And I am asking for confession on this eternal meandering suggestion, of which the prognosis is poor. Most of the world is starving, enlarging our panorama of vision, hopelessly adrift in indecision. I slowly veer off the necessity for lyrical precision. It relies too much on rhythm, and not enough soul. In the world, there is not enough silver, there is not enough gold. There is not enough oil, no matter how deep your hole. We are stuck in man's eternal pull. Vitamins, minerals, cerebral vehicles for the appropriation of your station. Similar equations lead to third world devastation. I like your iPhone. I condone your malice and dine from your chalice. I have this abacus and laundry list of habits to insist. This registry for her gift is callous, but it is my refrain. And it has been like this, dear. Dear. Things are not what they appear. And if you are like me, you mostly walk in fear. Words like this are both satisfying and hard to hear. Dreary-eyed and dragged-edged. I tried to not try, but fell off the edge. Dreary-eyed and black-edged. I tried to not try. Aliens in the sky. Aliens in the sky. Whether or not you've mostly been passed over as some distant guy. Whether or not you've been ghosting social moments, wishing you could slide. Whether or not you've been communicating from some far-off marijuana high. Whether you spend too much time walking in a disguise. There are aliens in the sky. Aliens. There are aliens in the sky. Don't know why, and I don't know why, and I don't. There are those that breathe, there are those that cry, and I I don't know why. I don't know why. Sometimes these wise words come by the by. Was this civilization born to build this type of enterprise? How much time have you spent walking through life looking for a disguise? The next thing you know, there are aliens in the sky, but nobody knows why. We spend so much time trying to trying to get it right. Thief in the night, walking sideways, starry-eyed through the ways that my mind plays. Aliens in the sky, and I don't know why. And I don't know why. And I don't know why.
But if he's a Rasta, then you wouldn't see why you shouldn't have it, because then you don't know freedom is freedom and you don't have to bow, you do whatever you like. But it's not a thing to say, well, I would like to be a Rasta, but I wouldn't like to have this. You dig? You dig? You can't be a like that. You can't be a like that. You can't be a like that. You can't be a like that.
T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We are transferring to orbiter internal power at this time. Discovery is now running off its 3 onboard fuel.
Life is a country. Divided, rich and poor. Cultural poverty. Lack of understanding. Life is a country divided, rich and poor, cultural poverty, lack of understanding, broken social fabric, TiVo repeat intravenous, television injection of Fox News, television injection of Fox News. Their truthiness and color-coded graphics connect me to my inner child's psyche, filling the void of self-rejection until I am blue. Filling the void of self-rejection until I am blue. What's new with you?
I will not dance to your war drum. I will not dance to your war drum. I will not dance to your war drum.
Science. Commit science. Earth science. Life, divided, cultural poverty. lack of understanding, broken social fabric, TiVo repeat intravenous, television injection of Fox News. I need my television injection. I need my television injection. My television injection of Fox News. Their truthiness and color-coded graphics connect me to my inner child psyche, filling the void. My inner child psyche filling the void.
Recognize that we are conditioned. That's the first thing. If you are conditioned and you say, yes, I am, is the I who says I am conditioned, is that I different from the condition?
Teardrops when the laughter is over. Teardrops when the laughter is over. Teardrops when the laughter is over. And there was no sign of life when she left me. Just the cast of a spell. Teardrops when the laughter is over. Over and over, high and sober. Growing older. Charlotte's disciple and master is over. The laughter is over. Over and over. And there is no sign of life. No sign of life. And the horizon sings, and the planet brings what we need. As we time, and there is no sign of life. Appropriation of your station. Similar equations lead to third world devastation. I like your iPhone. I condone your malice and dine from your chalice. I have this advocates and laundry list of habits. have this abacus and laundry list of habits. This abacus, laundry list. Habit, to insist. There's no sign of life.